Namaste. I am Pragya Yoga Master from Shanti Maurice Resort and Spa. I am going to teach you beginner's Hatha Yoga class. The beauty of the yoga is that you don't have to be yogi or yogini to perform the posture. The yoga has the power to balance the body and relax the mind. So let's begin the session.
Let's start with the mountain pose. Feet apart, shoulders back, ground yourself. Now we move to the upward salute. In, raise both your palms, join the palms together and arch your back. Normal breathe, continue. We move to the warrior two. Spread your leg 3 or 4 feet away. Bend the front knee. Keep your hand extend. Normal breathe, continue. Warrior two. Join the palms together and arch your back. Triangle pose. Slide your hand down on your right leg. Look up towards the sky. Extended side angle pose. Place your forearm on your side. Keep on breathing. Plank pose. Now we move to the Cobra. In, lift your chest. Arch your back, shoulder back. Normal breathe, continue. We move to the downward facing dog pose. Feet flat on the mat, palm flat. Allow yourself to breathe. Now we move to the child pose. Stretch your arm, forehead on the mat. Normal breathe, continue. We repeat the practice one more time. Upward salute, join the palm together. Arch your back. The pose helps to release tension in the shoulders and improve balance. Warrior 2, strengthen the legs and upper arms. Open the hips and shoulders. Extended side angle pose relieves stiffness in the shoulders and back. The plank pose improve flexibility and metabolism. Cobra pose strengthens the abs, legs and core. Downward dog pose calms the mind and stimulate blood circulation. Child pose helps calm the brain and relieves stress. Thank you for sharing this practice with us. Namaste.